Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about how to integrate GitHub repository project with Jenkins. Before moving this topic, I just requesting you, please subscribe my channel and share and like and give your comments. Okay. So and click on bell icon. It is notifying you for the upcoming videos. Okay. Now we have to move the topic. So for that, first I have to open my Jenkins localhost 8080. This is the default URL. So the username and the password. Click on sign in. So already I set up everything Jenkins. If you want to know how to install this Jenkins, you just go through my playlist. Here you have to find Jenkins playlist, right? So here you can get that the installation part. Okay. Next, so already I told you we have to integrate the GitHub repository, right? For that I have to open my GitHub repo. So here I have to create one repository which is Jenkins demo. Jenkins GitHub demo. This is repository name and I have to create the repository. Okay, now it will be successfully created. So open Eclipse. So here already I created Maven project. Under Maven project I created one Java class file. So this is the sample test I created. Okay, this is the project we have to import inside our GitHub repo. How we can do that? So right click on this Maven project. So in System Explorer. So here you can right click on Git Bash. So this is also already I told you how to install this Git Bash. I'll just go to this my video. So here under Git playlist you will be get that how to install the Git Bash. Okay, you just go through that video also. Now we can go to that file explorer. So right click on this and here you can find the two options, right? Here you can click the second option which is Git Bash here. So then you will be get that window. Here you have to follow the command which is displayed here. See, this is the command you have to follow for pushing your code inside GitHub repo. I am just following that thing. So here you just increase the font. It is better. You can font text. Okay, then text font properties. So I just increase the size. It is helpful for showing. Okay, save. So here I just follow that command git int. It is reinstallation. So already I installation. So again it will be showing a reinstallation. So in that case what I have to do, I just open this Maven project. So already I created that Git. So what I have to do, I just remove this one. So again have to do, and see now it is showing the installation. See, you are getting Git, right? If you are fresh means that time only you will getting the installation. So already you are done, that time you are getting reinstallation, right? So the reason I removed and again have to do that the Git installation. Okay. Next is git add. So here we have seen readme.md, right? In my repo I didn't create any readme text. In that case git add space put dot. Next you have to use git commit minus m. You have to give the commit message Jenkins demo. So this is the file we have inside Maven project, right? Those file updated inside GitHub repo, right? Next is you just skip this git branch because in my GitHub repository I am maintaining only one branch. I didn't create any other branch. In that case you have to directly use this remote add. Okay, git remote add origin. You just copy this whole URL because this is the GitHub GitHub repo URL. Okay, so go to that git bash window, paste it, enter. So next is git push origin. So here you can see main, right? Here you have to enter master because I am maintaining master branch. Here you can find, right, master. See, now we are getting 100% code will be imported in this GitHub repository. How? You just reference this one. That time we will be get this code, Maven project code, right? So what you are created in Eclipse, those will be successfully imported inside GitHub repo. Now we are successfully done imported Eclipse Maven project inside GitHub repo, right? Next we have to jump into the Jenkins part. Here go to new item. So here how to create Maven project, Jenkins GitHub demo. Okay, so select Maven project, click on OK. So after clicking on OK, directly it will be navigate to this config page. Okay, so where you are get this code from for this building this project. Okay, here I directly get from GitHub repo. In that case, you just select this GitHub project under this general section. So this is the project URL. The project URL means this is the URL. Okay, you just copy this URL and you have to paste it here. Come down again under the source code management. You just click Git repository URL. So this is the repository URL. Okay, so this is a project URL. This is repository URL. So which is n from .git. Okay, I'll just show to you. If any URL end with the .git means that is the repository URL, right? So here this project URL does not end .git. Okay, in that case you just differentiate. Okay, next please enter Git repository. Okay, so I don't want to add any credential. Okay, I just leave it out. So if you want to add credential, then you can add credential. Okay, add Jenkins. So here you have to enter your username and password. Okay, so here the option is available, right? So here under this username with the password, here you can find the SSH username and private key, secret file and secret text certificate. Whatever one you have to update here. Okay, so now I don't want to add anything. I just cancel it. I just leave it as blank. Next, come down. There we can see under build triggers, the first option is defaultly selected, which is build whenever snapshot dependency is built. So here I just uncheck this option because we don't want scheduled build when some upstream. So in that case I just uncheck and come down. So here you can see the root pom. It will be updated defaultly pom.xml. I didn't update any the root of pom.xml. After creating Maven project in new item, defaultly it will be updated inside project config and pom.xml. Okay, I didn't provide any goals and options. So you just come. So I just mention GitHub repository and GitHub project also, right? Project URL. So otherwise I didn't provide anything. You just click on apply. It is saved. Click on save. Okay. So already I ran 3 build. Okay. Now I'm going to be run the another build also. I just want to show to you. So click on build now. It will be take few seconds for completing this build. It depends upon your project size. So I ran this is the steps, right? So it is the sample Maven project I created and I integrated with Jenkins after uploading in GitHub repo. Okay, it is completed now. Click on this build number. That time you will be find console output, right? Click on this console output. So I didn't provide any credential, right? Already I told you. Come down. So here you can find build is success. Okay, this is the way how to integrate GitHub repo project in Jenkins. and also you should install git bash, and you have to maintain GitHub repository. That time only you can able to integrate those repository project in Jenkins. Okay, I hope you are aware of it. These steps you can try to do it yourself also. Okay, thank you guys.